Are you grown-ups always sleeping in? Mine are. Today we're making easy peasy oatmeal. You'll need oats, water, measuring cup, and a bowl. If you want to cook with me, go get your stuff and remember to wash your hands. If you're using anything hot or sharp, go get an adult. They like to feel important. First, you get 1 scoop of oats and put it into your bowl. Then, you pour 2 scoops of water into the measuring cup. Then you pour a scoop of water into the measuring cup and pour it in the oatmeal. And you do that again. Then you microwave the oatmeal for 2 minutes. I'm all done microwaving the oatmeal. Now take a spoon and stir it around for a little bit. You can even when you're done making the oatmeal, you can put some fruit in. Today I have raspberries. You can even put some cinnamon in. When you're done, stir it up again. And the frozen fruit cools it off. Then, when you're all done stirring, you can taste it. Delicious! Healthy foods without a grown-up? I'm Cora and I can teach you.